Let us start the story from here. Eklavya. Eklavya, what is Eklavya? As we know that in this story, Eklavya, a man, he is a tribal prince. Okay, who respected or regarded Dronacharya. Dronacharya was a guru who lives in Hastinapur, and Eklavya think him as his role model. For Eklavya, Dronacharya was his hero. Okay, and he became well known for his skills in archery, although fate dealt him a cruel blow. But he remained devoted to Dronacharya, who demanded a great sacrifice from him. About Eklavya, it is saying that Eklavya was very talented and he is having a great skill in shooting arrows. But what happened? The fate, what we say in Hindi, किस्मत. इसका किस्मत बहुत ही खराब चला. फिर भी वो क्या हुआ, एक द्रोणाचार्य के लिए बहुत ही डिवोटेड था, बहुत रेस्पेक्ट करता था द्रोणाचार्य का. जबकि द्रोणाचार्य ने उससे एक बहुत बड़ा सैक्रिफाइस मांगा था, सैक्रिफाइस किया उसने द्रोणाचार्य के लिए. इवन टू दिस डे एकलव्य इज रिगार्डेड एज द आइडियल स्टूडेंट इन इंडिया. इसलिए एकलव्य को जो है तो एक बहुत ही अच्छे स्टूडेंट की तरह पूरे इंडिया में एकलव्य को एक अच्छा स्टूडेंट माना जाता है, क्योंकि उसने अपने गुरु का, द्रोणाचार्य का बहुत ज़्यादा रेस्पेक्ट किया और जो जैसे उसके गुरु ने कहा उसने उनकी बात मानी. सो नाउ मूविंग फॉरवर्ड to the next paragraph. Eklavya was a brave and handsome boy, loved by all. Everyone used to love Eklavya. He is a brave and he is handsome too. Okay. However, he was an unhappy child. But Eklavya remained unhappy. Means something was there for which Eklavya was not happy. He remained unhappy. He is sad. His father found his son lost in thought one day and asked him, why are you so unhappy, son? What is troubling you? As in everyone house, if a child is unhappy, his father or mother used to ask, why baby, what happened to you? Why you are unhappy? Is there any problem? The same way, Eklavya's father was there, and when he saw his son looking sad, he asked him that, what happened to you, Eklavya? Is there any problem there with you? What is that disturbing you? Eklavya said, what? Father, I want to become a disciple of a great Dronacharya who is the tutor of the royal family of Hastinapur. Eklavya said that, Father, I want to be a student of whom? Of Dronacharya, who lived in Hastinapur, as I have earlier said. He wanted to be a disciple of a Dronacharya. And who was Dronacharya? Dronacharya used to teach to the kids or students of a royal family, means of a son of a prince or a princess. Okay, son of a king or queen, they are called prince. Dronacharya used to teach only to the prince, but in the same way Eklavya also wanted to be his student. I heard that his Gurukul is a place where one can train to be a mighty warrior, replied Eklavya. When his father asked him that, why son, why you are so sad, why you are looking upset, he said that, Father, I want to be the student of Dronacharya. Dronacharya used to teach to the prince of royal family, and Dronacharya, Eklavya came to know that Dronacharya used to teach in a place where the name of the place is called Gurukul, and there he used to train almighty warriors. Eklavya's father was silent, for he knew that they belonged to a hunting tribe, that people from his tribe were not allowed to be warriors. And Eklavya's father it was very clear to Eklavya's father that Dronacharya don't used to teach to any of the kids. They used to only give their training to the warriors.